Let's revisit our segment Chartbusters. Kunal is ready with his ideas. Kunal?
So Nikunj, it's on the gold prices across, how the gold prices have shaped up across the last many years. And
Why don't we do this? A much better frame, right?
yeah, this is always a better frame. So, this is the indicators for gold prices, dollar terms, dollar denominated, and this is the prices for gold in terms of dollar denominated. And we are nowhere close to the overbought territories in terms of the gold prices. So, whenever the indicator gets back into an overbought territory, there's at least twice or thrice where the indicators come into an overbought territory. That's where major tops get formed for gold prices. This was seen in 2008. This was in 2009, 10, 9 and 11 for gold prices where a major top was formed. This was recently in 2018, 19, 20 where gold prices made 2 or 3 attempts before there was a major top in place. Right now what we've seen is just one attempt towards the gold prices or the indicators coming into an overbought territory, which means there is a pending at least 2 or 3 up move which has to still come back into the indicators, and that could probably lead to a major breakout in terms of the gold prices. So the expectation that gold prices have somehow entered into an overbought territory, I would still believe that that's not the case as of now. I think there's a lot more headroom on the upside for gold prices to move up higher. In terms of dollar denominated, $2,072 was the previous major high in 2020 for gold prices. I think we are just about in touching distance of breaking those or giving the breakout over here for the gold chart. And once that happens, we can expect at least another 10 to 15% up move for gold prices, possibly in the next 6 months to 12 months.
Okay, and Nooresh has got a very interesting chart there. Nooresh, what are you spotting on Chartbusters?
So looking at a small cap company, Dynamatic Technologies, which is a private defense player, the stock has had multiple cycles. In the previous cycle in 2014, it went from 600 to 4,000, went back all the way to 600 in 2020, and has now come back to 3,100, which was also the top in 2021. So a classical cup and handle formation here. The stock is now setting up for a 5 to 6 year breakout. And if this does take place, we would have a target price of 4,200 first, which is the previous high. Could be much higher in the long term also if this plays out well. So out here, an accumulate at current levels as well as on dips, stop loss at 2,700 and a target price of 4,200 in the medium to long term.
Okay, and now let's discuss some more stock ideas. Kunal, not gold, but stock specific, what's on your list?
Yeah, 2 buy calls. One on the large cap name Reliance Industries is a buy. My earlier targets were 2450. Those have been met. So revising the targets higher by at least 100 rupees. 2550 as a near-term target. Stop loss at 2400. And the second would be a buy on PNB, Punjab National Bank. That stock is also heading towards a breakout. Managed to break above 53 levels yesterday. Buy with a target of 58. Stop loss at 50.
Right, and Nooresh, your stock specific strategies?
First would be a buy on United Spirits. The stock has come to that 795 resistance mark. If it sustains, could see a quick move to 850. A strict stop loss at 780 here now. Second is a buy on Biocon, which is a mean reversion trade. The stock has corrected quite a lot over the last 1 year. Started making a reversal, so a stop loss at 235 and a target price of 260.